मेरा नाम है पूर्णिमा। आई एम 27 years old और मैं अपनी जिंदगी की सबसे बड़ी फाइनेंशियल और इमोशनल रिस्क लेने वाली हूँ। आई एम प्लानिंग टू मूव टू द यूके फॉर माई मास्टर्स एंड आई हैव नो आइडिया हाउ इट्स गोइंग टू टर्न आउट. But I know if I don't try, I will definitely regret this. I've been earning since the age of 18. I have built everything step by step. But recently, I started feeling something strange. ऐसा भी नहीं था कि आई वॉज अनहैप्पी, ऐसा भी नहीं था आई वॉज अनग्रेटफुल. आई जस्ट फेल्ट वेरी लिमिटेड, राइट? इट फेल्ट लाइक द स्पेस अराउंड मी वॉजंट बिग इनफ एनी मोर. मेरे को और रूम चाहिए था. आई वॉन्टेड मोर स्पेस टू स्प्रेड माई विंग्स. आई नीडेड मोर एक्सपोजर, मोर डिस्कम्फर्ट एंड मोर एक्सपेंशन. And sometimes growth doesn't happen by doing more things in the same place. It happens by changing the place. I come from Kanpur, a city once called the Manchester of the East. And maybe it's poetic that now I want to go to actual Manchester. I come from a moderately rich family, not the kind where studying abroad is really casual. Money matters a lot in my house. So let me say this clearly. पैसे नहीं है मेरे पास. And I don't have funds sitting in my bank account comfortably to move abroad. If this happens, it will happen through education loans, through scholarships, through part time work, and through risk. And I think that's most important to say because a lot of people assume that only rich kids go abroad. That's not true. Sometimes it's just kids with big dreams and the courage to chase them. So, why UK at 27? Yes, I'm 27 years old, not 21, not 22. I'm doing this not because it looks glamorous. I'm doing this because I finally feel ready. I want global exposure for myself and I want to understand how the world operates. I want to work at the intersection of AI and marketing as I have been in marketing. I want to build something bigger and more, much bigger than geography. So I want to try this out and I know this will stretch me into that version of myself. And if you are planning to apply to universities this year, this is the time. Shortlisting, applications, scholarships, loan planning, everything starts now. Like February is the perfect time to do it. And in the next video, I'll break down exactly how I'm shortlisting my universities, what I did, what I went through, the fees, the scholarships, the loan reality, all the nooks and crannies, no gatekeeping. Because I come from a really difficult background as well. So if you are watching this from a normal Indian household where risks are questioned, where money is calculated, where safe is preferred over bold, I just want you to know that you're allowed to want more. You're allowed to outgrow your surroundings and you're allowed to take up the space in the world. So, if you want to follow this journey, the applications, the rejections, the scholarship, the visa process, the reality of loans, the university life in UK, then subscribe because I'm documenting everything. The wins, the breakdowns, the growth, no filters, no fake glam. And I wanted to be part of my journey because I will make sure to give you all the information that I have. So this is day one from Kanpur to UK. Let's see where this goes. And if I can do it, I'm sure you can do it too. That's my dog. Bye bye. Thank you so much.